Oh my god, driving is so boring! If only there was a way to make it more enjoyable.
How about this, Shadow?
It opens the glove box, out comes Jack Daniels.
Oh, my driving juice! 1 second. Oh my goodness! This is so much more engaging! Yippee! Wow! Yeah, I feel like merging without looking. Good luck, everyone else.
That's how you know he's evil.
Oh, here are the feds.
You'll never catch me alive!
Shadow the Hedgehog, stop the car!
No, I refuse!
Stop the car! Hey, you!
Good evening, problem. What seems to be the officer?
Have you been drinking tonight?
Maybe.
Moves across all the balls.